Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of the Hill on TryHackMe. First, you'll need to understand the basic objective: capture and hold a target machine. This isn't just about getting in, it's about staying in. You'll earn points for every second you control the machine, so persistence is key. Let's dive into the initial steps to get you started. Your first step is always reconnaissance. Use tools like Nmap to scan the target machine and identify potential entry points. Look for common vulnerabilities in the services running. Once you find an exploit, execute it carefully to gain a foothold. The goal here is to get a stable shell, allowing you to interact with the system effectively and begin your reign. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like you're taking control of the hill, take control of your home audio. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and smart home features. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After gaining access, you need to establish your presence. Upload the King of the Hill script provided by TryHackMe to the target. Make sure it's configured to run persistently, claiming your ownership. This script is what tells the platform you're in control and starts your point accumulation. Keep an eye on the scoreboard and be ready to defend your position. Holding the hill is often harder than taking it. Patch any vulnerabilities you used to get in, preventing others from using the same path. Actively look for and remove any competing King of the Hill scripts. Consider creating a new hidden user account for yourself to maintain persistent access, even if your primary shell is lost. Stay vigilant and secure your machine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.